Okay, dear students, here we continue our discussions. So, we were discussing about the Republic. Now, preamble also mentions preamble also mentions the following terms. What are these terms? Justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. What are these? Justice means justice, social justice, economic justice, and political justice. This is the meaning of justice. What kind of justice we are given? Social justice, economic justice, and political justice. It means that people should be treated fairly and honestly in all matters. Government should work for the welfare of all, especially the disadvantaged group. So, preamble especially mentions that equal status should be given to everybody. Equal rights has to be given to everyone. There are people who are backward class by socially or economically and politically. They are backward. They are downwards little. They have not developed. So preamble says that you should give some welfare measures. You should take some welfare measures where these people, disadvantaged group, should be they should come to the mainstream of with the common people, mainstream of life. That is the meaning. So they should get the advantages so that they also improve their life, their social life, their economic life, and political life. Is right? Okay. Next one, liberty. Liberty means freedom. Liberty of thought, liberty of expression, liberty of belief, liberty of faith, and worship. So, what are these liberty of thought? We are free to think. We are not bound. We are not bonded that we should not think. We should think, and what we think we can have. We have the right to express also in various means, through the media, through writing, through words, through the press. There are so many, and we can have the meetings, we can have the rallies, demonstrations, all that. This freedom is given. Next, freedom of expression, that is called freedom of expression. What we think better for the people, we should tell to the people, express it. Through the media today, we have got various means to express. Liberty of belief. Belief means the what we have system, belief system. Okay, faith system. Faith, belief and faith is two things. We have to believe. I believe in some government that they will do properly. That is the meaning. I believe on such a person that he can lead the country well, so I vote. So that kind of belief system. Faith. Surely faith in God. It means faith in God. Any God. You have the right, or you have the freedom, right and freedom of faith. And worship. Any God, any temple, any mosque, any church, any gurudwaras, you can go and worship. That freedom is there. It means, that is, let us see what the book explains to us. It means freedom to express one's thought, to form peaceful groups, to live where one likes, and to choose and practice one's religion. So, wherever in this country we can go, any part of the country. Surely, one part of the country we could not go, but now we can go. That was Kashmir. That after the release of the removal of the 370s, there is an article on which there were some restriction given, special laws of the land of that area, for that area was given. Now those are removed. Now everybody are equal with every right, every freedom, liberty. Okay, so we can also live in Kashmir. We can work any part of the country. It's not that only we have to work in Tamil Nadu or in Kashmir or Gujarat, anywhere we can go and earn our living. That is the meaning. Next one, choose and practice one religion. We can choose. We have the freedom of choose religion. We have the freedom of any occupations. Equality of status and opportunity. We have been given every opportunity to live a good life in this country. So it means that all citizens should be treated in the same way, irrespective of their caste, whatever caste you know what caste is it, religion, whatever religion you belong to, gender, whatever gender. We have got the three gender. Dear children, we have got the three gender: male, female, and transgender. We call it nowadays. We call it transgender. Okay, transgender means they are neither male nor female, but they are also part of our society. Earlier, few years back, since ages till few years back, they were not accepted as a part of our society, and so they had a miserable life. Their work was to go and beg and earn their living, beg and live. They do not have their own house, no property, okay, no bank balance and etc. So, but today they have been given the right to hold property, earn property, be educated in the school and colleges. Earlier they were removed. You see, very hard situation was there. But these days now they have also given the chance to serve the public servant, IS officer, IPS officer. Anybody can become, like anybody, any other person. Transgender. Okay. So there will be equal opportunity to everybody. Place of birth, wherever you are coming from, but then you can go any part of the nations. Or whether they are rich or poor, whether you are rich or poor, you can do any work. The government should give all citizens equal opportunity to improve their lives. That is what. Next one is a fraternity. Fraternity meaning assuring the dignity of an individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. That means we are one nation and each individual of the nations are equal. And this dignity, this respect we give to each other. It means that all of us should behave as if we are members of the same family. No one should be treated, no fellow citizen should be treated inferior. Inferior means low grade, small, is known as inferior. So, we having discussed all these points, now we can conclude that Constitution is vital to India's self-image. It's very important that our Constitution gives us a particular special image that we are of India, we are Indians as an independent nation. Even after more than 70 years,